everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1964 Chevrolet C10. This is a complete frame-off restoration. Beautiful truck, guys. I actually bought this at a show I was at down in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The gentleman I bought it from was from Virginia. Drove this truck down there. I actually gave him a deposit on it and then paid him when he got it back home, and had a shipping company come pick it up. But so he drove it hour and a half there, I think hour and a half back. Awesome truck, guys. This thing is just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. This is actually my favorite body style pickup. I love these trucks. Now this is a 64. He's got the 65 badging on it. You know, the body styles are pretty much all the same in these years, but great truck, man. It's got aluminum headed ZC4 crate engine in it. It's got a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. It's air ride technology. It's got it lowered down a little bit. It actually goes all the way down to the ground. Killer truck though, man. The guy did a super guy that I bought it from did a great job building it. You can see there's a couple little stone pecks that you can kind of nitpick in it. Truck was restored in 2012. It's got 5,000 miles on it since he got it done, and it is beautiful. Love this truck. This is Omaha orange and white. It's got a black vinyl and ostrich insert interior. Killer truck, man. You see the glass is nice. He did a great job building this truck, guys. Love the color combo. It just jumps off this truck. And he said you can drive it. Man, he told me I could drive it back to Michigan. He said it's that kind of truck. There's your there's a little thing for the fuel to fuel it. It's got a custom stainless fuel tank in it. This thing is beautiful. Man, my camera's giving me a hard time. Good solid truck. It's got 20-inch chrome rocket racing wheels all the way around it. All brand new rubber. Sorry, stuff's flying at us from the grocery store next door. Great truck, man. Stunning truck. You know, you look at something and it just hits you, man. This truck just hits me dead in the face. Love this truck. It's got a Fat Man, a Mustang II style independent front suspension on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got a vintage SureFit air conditioning unit on it. It's got a all custom billet aluminum brackets and pulley system on it. Headers. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it. It's got a Edelbrock Air Gap aluminum intake. Again, it's aluminum heads. This truck is gorgeous, man. Aluminum radiator. Said this thing does not run hot. Like you say, he drove it from Virginia to South Carolina. It's got an electric fan, Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. It's got 4-corner adjustable air ride suspension on it. That is a pretty truck. You can see this thing is just clean as a pen. Dash is nice. New door handles. Again, it's got the ostrich pattern insert. bucket seats, console. It's got the Hurst short throw shifter in it. There's your air ride system, the adjustment for it. Doggone, I can't speak today. It's got a tilt column in it with a sport steering wheel. It's got all Autometer Phantom gauges in it. There's your it's all digital, the air ride. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt rear end. It's a 410 posi gear. Again, just as nice on the bottom as it is on top. This is functional, isn't it? What's that? No straps, but it is functional. It will open, guys. It's got it bolted. Well, not bolted. It's got latches. Really nice truck, man. Yeah, we took some nice pictures of the bottom of it for you. We got it lower down, but we got it up on the hoist and got you some good photos of it. Killer truck. I mean, the kind of truck you show with mirrors underneath it at a car show. A little touch-up mark on the door there. The seats are nice. It drives outstanding. Again, the air ride's all 4-corner adjustable. Cool console. There's a shut-off switch right behind the seat there. Pretty truck, man. Love this thing. Electric fuel pump. Sounds good, man. Okay, just kicked your air on. Air blows cold. This is a cool truck, man. I love the front ends. I love the hoods on these trucks. So cool. $5,012 miles on the odometer. Tach works. All your gauges work. Oh, Jay's raising the air ride up. It's all 4-corner adjustable. Love this truck, man. And it drives out, like you say, awesome. No radio. There's no radio in it. There's, hopefully you can see that. It's all adjustable 4-corner. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, that's pretty, man. lot of traffic today. Have a great day, guys.